Hi everybody, I am here today with an unboxing video for you. I was approached by Your Creative Studio and asked if I would do an unboxing of one of their vintage subscription boxes. And they have sent me the May 2023 box. It is a tropical themed vintage subscription box. It came yesterday, but today is the day that I had time to open it and look at it. I have not seen what is in this box yet. I did open the tape so we can go through it together, but I don't know what is actually inside. So we've got this pretty little card that just is a thank you, and I'm guessing that it will match the paper, so that's really pretty. Let's see if I can get this off of here without ripping the paper. That paper is pretty too, and it would be really good to be able to use in a journal. So I'm just going to take everything out and go through it and see what it all is. These just look like ticket stubs, which is really neat. I've not seen anything like this before with a package of them, and I love to use tickets that come with paper collections, so that's really neat. And these are really soft colors too. It's more like a shabby chic. So there's a big variety here. Oh, those ones are purples, butterflies. There's a lot of different options here. I hope they flatten out since they're a little bit bent from being in the box. Next, we have some little postage stamps, and I don't know if these are stickers or just papers, so I'm going to pull one of these out if I can get one out. And I think, oh, they are different, so they're not all the same. So we've got a set of 4, and it looks like they're just paper, but they're a nice weight. They're not real lightweight, but they're not cardstock either. So those would be great for use in ephemera for journals. Go ahead and slide this one back in here if I can get it in. And we've got these black and white stamps. Oh, and they've got little toucans on it, and it looks like they are going to be clear when they are peeled off. If I can get one off. I wonder if I could color these too to put some color in them using Copic markers or something else. I can't get them off right now. I know they are stickers, but I'm assuming they're like a vellum, so you'll be able to see through them as well. Okay, these say Happy Burning Fire stickers. I love flamingos. Oh my goodness, these stickers are tiny. Look how tiny these things are. They're very pretty. They're kind of like a shiny in places, but not all of them. Oh gosh, those are so pretty. Let me see if I can get some more of these out of here. There they are. Hopefully you'll be able to see. Oh yeah, you can see the shine on some of the flamingos. Oh, these are so cute. Those are adorable. Definitely like those. I love tropical themed things. I love flamingos. These would be great for a beach layout or spread or journal. Or even a zoo trip if you go and visit the flamingos at the zoo. Okay, I have no idea what this is, so let's see if I can open it and find out. Looks like it might be labels just based on the packaging. Yeah, these are tiny little labels. Looks like we've got a couple of each design. And they are paper labels. They're a nice quality, a nice weight, different shapes. A little bit darker than some of the pastel colors so far, so that'll give a little bit of variety. I'll just put those back in the little box. And then here we've got plant specimens. Okay, so it looks like it's a book. Okay, so we've got butterflies and flowers and leaves. And those are cute. You could do a lot with those on journal spreads. Okay, this one is a cling stamp. And I'm guessing if it's what it shows there, it's going to be flamingos, which would be fun to play with. Oh. So we've got this large flamingo. Then we've got a leaf. I bet those would look really cute. You could make a border or you could make pieces and fussy cut those. So those are great. And then this one has a toucan on it. Let's see what's inside here. So we have the toucan, oh, and a pineapple. And then this one, oh, this is washi tape. So these are the stamps. I'll set those aside here. And then we have a roll of washi. It's very muted. I can't really tell what the pattern is. Oh, I see it now. Now that it is out, maybe I'm gonna lay it right down on my desk. Hopefully you'll be able to see that better. Yeah, once it's down. So there's some flowers and some leaves, more like just like tropical, but very vintage, very muted. So I would say depending on what you put this on, it's going to change the look of it. Obviously, when it's up here, it's really hard to see, but on that white background of my desk, you could see that pattern more. And we've got ephemera. It's a lot of ephemera in here. Again, back to those soft colors. Looks like we've got a couple of each pieces. So we've got very pretty. I love this color theme. The soft colors and the pinks and the greens, leaves. I like the images too. I'm a fan of tropical, beachy stuff. So there's a lot of variety here, I think. Which is great. So we've got more flowers and leaves. Oh, and look at the flamingo. Oh my gosh, I love it. I think this is my favorite piece. So pretty. And there's another one that's just plain without the leaves. So tons and tons in this one pack here. These would be great for cards, invitations, obviously layouts and journal spreads, but there's a lot I think you could do with this. You could put these on mixed media projects or home decor. Definitely I could see cars with this too. I hope that flattens out. This says masking tape. It looks like rice paper to me. or tissue paper. So we'll see what this actually is. Oh, there's a couple of pieces in here. So I'm just gonna pull one out. It's so soft. Okay, so there are several pieces in there. That's why it looked so dark. And it's more of just a tissue paper. Well, yep, it's tissue paper. I was hoping it might be a little bit stronger, but it is not. That's okay. And this we've got vintage years, stickers, and flowers. I like the packaging. Wow, that's really cool. This would be great to add into a pocket of a journal. So definitely recycling that packaging whenever I need it. Another package that's just stuffed full of things. Oh, look, it's got different, this is Australia, so it's supposed to look like stamps. And there's more. I love stamps. I think they're so cool to use in different projects. Just little strips of paper. Easy way to add things to journal spreads. You can use these on fronts of cards. Very nice. Again, some of the darker colors, not really those soft colors that go with some of the stuff. So you've got some dark and then some soft. Not everything really goes together for one project, but it's all themed tropical, so it does go with that theme. Oh, and accidentally doing that, these are stickers. That is even cooler. So now all you have to do is peel that off and stick it onto your page rather than having to find adhesive to glue that down. Well, that's really nice. It's like a washi sticker in a way. And here's the last thing in the box. This is the paper. So it says it contains sticker paper, vellum paper, art paper, and pattern paper. It looks amazing in your cards, journal spreads, scrapbook, tags, and much more. Okay, so we've got 6 designs of each one. So we've got those soft colors again that go with the majority of the things I think in the box really are softer. And then we go with the vellum paper. I'm gonna move this so we can see these. Gosh, I love that. That's so pretty. I love the look and the feel of vellum. And these are really pretty. Great images, great paper. I love it so far. Oh, this is nice too. I love the texture of this paper. I'm guessing this is the art paper. Gosh. I think this is my favorite texture. I might even like this more than the vellum. Very, very soft, but the texture of it is so nice. And then this one must be the sticker paper. It's a little bit heavier weight because of the backing. Yep, so it is a sticker paper, which makes it really easy to use for backgrounds. So all 6 of those designs. But I do think that the art paper is my favorite. So this is the May 2023 Tropical Themed Vintage Subscription Box from Your Creative Studio. It is still available on the website, which I will link in the description box below. So you see all the stuff that came in this kit. A lot of it obviously is very themed with the same exact images, like the stamps, the papers, the ephemera, and these little stickers. And then we've got this other little section here with the washi, the papers, flowers, and these sorts of things that are a little bit maybe darker colors. Well, not these or these, but these darker ones here, a little bit different, but again, tropical. So again, this is Your Creative Studio, and they offer lots of different vintage themed subscription boxes. So if you want to check them out, I will leave the link in the description box below. Thank you so much to Your Creative Studio for reaching out and offering to send me a subscription box. And in the future, stay tuned to see what I might create with all of these products. Thank you for watching and have a great day.